Jai Hind everyone. Today I will discuss about the falling value of Indian rupee. The value of country's currency is a critical indicator. Its economic health and stability. India has been seen significant fluctuation over the year, and its decline value is a matter of concern for policymakers, businesses, and citizens like us. In this video, I will talk about the impact of falling value of Indian rupees, the main reason behind the falling in values of Indian rupees, and give some established major suggestion. Cause for decline value of Indian rupee. First, trade deficit. India imports more than export, leading to trade deficit. High import bill, especially for crude oil, result in increased demand of foreign currency like US dollar, weakening the Indian rupee. Second, global economic factor, geopolitical tension and global inflation. Interest rate hikes by US Federal Reserve often lead to capital outflow from emerging markets, include India. The strengthening of the US makes the rupee relatively weaker. Third, high inflation in India reduces purchasing power of rupees, leading to depreciation can lead the weakening rupee. Fourth, when foreign institutional investor FII withdraw funds from Indian market to leads its increased supply of rupees and weakening Indian rupee. 5. Economic policy. Policy uncertainty, slow economic reform and fiscal. 2. Leads investor to sustain confidence and negatively towards India. Impact on India. High import costs. A weaker rupee increased cost of imports, especially crude oil. It's become more expensive and inflation, widening current account deficit. The rising imports will further widen ACAD to lead to increase the foreign exchange reserves. Impact on common citizen. High, the increase of fuel lead to increased transportation and logistic cost, and its increased price of goods and service. Education and travel abroad become more expensive due to unfavorable exchange. Impact on business. Companies who depend on foreign raw material face more cost of imports prices and reduce their margin of benefit, but exporter may benefit from a weaker rupee, that he become more competitive in global society. Reduce investor confidence, lead to capital flows and affecting on the stock market and Indian economy. To stabilize the value of Indian rupee, strengthening exports, promote export-oriented industries and help verifying partnership, provide incentive to small and medium enterprises to boost their export. Second, reduce dependency, create a sustainable and investor-friendly environment by reducing regulation and improving infrastructure and implementation. Third, logistic adjustment. The Reserve Bank of India can intervene by selling foreign reserve to stabilize Indian rupee, interest rate to attract foreign investor and capital flows. Fourth, fiscal deficit. Reduce fiscal deficit through efficient government spending and increased collection revenue and reforms economic policy to foster their economic growth and ties with investor through diplomatic and cooperative economics. And value of Indian rupee is multifaceted issue influenced by both domestic and global factors. While it poses challenges, it presents opportunity to enhance India's economic policy and protect self-reliance will be crucial to stabilizing the rupee and ensure long-term growth for India. This issue requires collective effort from Government of India, businesses and citizens to safeguard economic for future growth. Thank you. जय हिंद, जय भारत.